Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. On this occasion, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful strap. Basically, the strap is made of the alternates, normal and extended single crochet. These two stitches are so easy to create and they are suitable for all crochet level, including the beginners. Well everyone, let's make this beautiful strap. But before that, don't forget to share this video, like, and subscribe. The three materials I used for making these straps are polyester yarns, 2mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make a slip knot. You can make this slip knot using whichever method you prefer. Then, make 8 chains plus 1. Then make 1 additional chains as a turning up. Then, make 1 single crochet in each of the chain stitches. This is the last single crochet of this first row. After making this last single crochet, make 1 chains. This chain is not counted as a single crochet, but it is a turning up. Then turn the work and make 1 single crochet in each of these stitches. This is the last single crochet of this second row. Let me make this last one. Then I will make 1 chain. Just like the previous row, I will turn the work and make 1 single crochet in each of these stitches. This is the third row. I will make 3 more rows to complete the first part of these straps or the first part of this back handle. So there are 6 rows of single crochet in total. This one is the 6th or the last row of this first part. Make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, 6 rows of single crochet are ready and this is what they look like. For this pattern, I will add 1 more row as the base for the main pattern. So I will make 1 chain and I will make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches just like the previous row. It's ready. After that, I will make 1 chain to start the main pattern. Firstly, I will make 1 single crochet on the first stitch, then 1 extended single crochet or a bigger single crochet on the lower next stitch. After that, back to normal single crochet in the next 1 stitch. This normal single crochet is made on the upper stitch. Then 1 extended or a bigger single crochet on the lower stitch. Back to the normal single crochet. Then an extended or a bigger single crochet on the next lower stitch, then back to normal single crochet and end it up with one single crochet. This row is always start and end with one single crochet. Then make one chain, make one single crochet on the first stitch, then make a bigger or an extended single crochet on the next lower stitch, back to a normal single crochet, then an extended or a bigger single crochet, back to the normal single crochet, followed by a bigger single crochet, back to one normal single crochet, and end it up with one single crochet. Repeat the actions. Make one chain. This is the third row. It's much easier than the previous two rows. Make one normal single crochet and one bigger or one extended single crochet on the top of the previous extended single crochet. It's very easy to identify the position where the extended single crochet should be made. Then back to the normal single crochet, then make one extended or a bigger single crochet on the top of the previous extended single crochet, then the normal and extended single crochet, normal single crochet, end it up with one single crochet. Okay, repeat these actions again. Make one chain and turn the work. Start with the normal single crochet, then make an extended single crochet on the top of the previous extended single crochet, followed by normal, then the extended single crochet, back to the normal, then extended single crochet, back to the normal, and end it up with one normal single crochet. Chain one and turn the work. Repeat this action again. Normal, extended, back to normal, extended, normal, the extended single crochet, normal, and end it up with one single crochet. This is what the pattern looks like. You just need to repeat the action over and over again until you reach the length you desire. I've just reached the length I desire, and this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. Now I will show you how to end this project. So I will make the last part of this strap. This last part is made of 6 rows of single crochet, so I will make one chain and I will make one single crochet in each of the stitches. This is the first row. I will make as much as 6 rows, just like the first part of this strap. This is the first row. Then make one chain, then turn the work, then make one single crochet in each of the stitches. The amount of the single crochet are 8. This is the second row. Make 4 more rows to complete the last part of this strap. Okay, it's ready. I have just made 6 rows of single crochet and this is what they look like. Now I will cut the yarn to end this project. I will hide this yarn tail using a pastry needle. Finally, this beautiful strap is ready. I have just made two pieces to be the handle of my bag. Here they are. They look so gorgeous and beautiful, don't they? By the way, if you have something to say about it, kindly leave your comment in the space below and I would be very happy to respond. Well everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day and happy crochets!